Hey guys, my name is Mon. This is the second part of eye tutorial. There are 6 main eye shapes named round, monolith, hooded, downturn, upturn, and at the end, almond. In this video, I want to tell you all their features. Knowing the different eye shapes is very important in character design, so we should know about them. First of all, let's draw a round eye. This type of eyes are often seen as more childlike. They are going to be rounded at the center with the corners being rounded as well. A round eye may appear larger or more open than some other eye types. They are often associated with youth and wonder, and many children are described as having round eyes before their features fully mature. Rounded eyes are going to have more girth in the center and a natural narrowing near the outer and inner corners. They can make character appear more awake, more alert, and younger overall. Round eyes are usually large, prominent, and look more circular. The cornea of round eyes is surrounded by white all the way around. The inner and outer corners of round eyes are rounded and not pulled inward or outward. Monolith eye shape. Eyes have natural double lid look. This means that there is the crease that is situated in the socket of the eye, then the brow bone is lifted enough that you can see the moving eyelid. A monolith eye is one in which no eyelid is visible. Common in Asian women, monolith eyes feature a less apparent crease, often called a shallow or smooth eyelid. The eyelid in this type of eyes aren't visible. Hooded eye shape. Hooded eyes feature a heavy brow bone with a deep set crease. As you've aged, your eyelid space has diminished and taking on a hooded appearance. Downturn eye shape. Another common eye shape is downturn eyes. Downturn eyes are often heavier at the outer corner, and the outer corners droop or turn down while the inner corner turn up. The downturn eye shape is very sensual and does appear heavy and sultry. This is also referred to as bedroom eyes, and it is a truly stunning eye shape. Downturn eyes can appear sleepy or very soft and are a beautiful eye shape for both men and women. The outer corners of downturn eyes are lower than the inner corner. Also known as a descending eyelid, downturn eyes feature an upper lid that dips to meet the lower lash line. Upturn eye shape. This is a beautiful eye shape and is delicate and dainty. Basically the opposite of downturn eyes, upturn eyes have outer corners that turn upward and are higher than the inner corners. Also known as cat eyes. Upturn eyes tilt upward, giving the eye an exotic appearance. This is common eye shape in cartoons for women, as it is seen as a very feminine and desirable trait. Upturned eyes are very attractive and are perfect for a sexy character. The bottom lash line of upturned eyes curves upward to meet the top lashes at the outer corner of the eyes. Almond eye shape. Almond eyes are almost always very proportionate, and often people associate those of Asian descent or heritage as having this shaped eye. Almond-shaped eyes are often the eye shape that is used in animation character. The almond eye shape is often seen as sultry or sensual. A common problem with the almond eyes is a wrinkle at the corner of the eyes, and these eyes may appear to be sleepy at the same time. They have smaller eyelid and are longer in width than they are round, just like an almond. This eye shape tapers to a point by the tear duct and the outer eye. The outer part of the cornea is generally hidden under the top and bottom lids. There is also an apparent crease. Well, that's all I knew about the eye. Thanks for watching my video. I hope you liked it and subscribe my channel.